Hey, this is Arlene. So, anyways, somebody's handprints are on my window. They're not mine. And somebody took off my window lock. So, my window opened automatically. And I never open my window beyond where the window lock is, which is like right about here. And I never touch the glass. I always just use it here because it's only going to open for a little period of time. So somebody definitely did do something. I just don't know how. And all the porch lights here, they're all like 24/7 on. Well, except for daylight, they're on timers. So it doesn't matter, no matter what, like your porch light will go on. So I don't know how they came in, if they actually did come in and pop the screen or what. I'm not really sure, and I'm not really worried about it, except just to document what happened.